Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at Tomica Premium MR2, and this is a very nice model, and you can see the scale is 1 by 60 actually, and there are some definitions over here of the car. We'll look at that by unboxing it, and let's unbox it and see how it is from inside. So let me quickly unwrap it and unbox it for you guys so we can see it very nicely. And you can see over there, it comes with a plastic wrap as usual. Tomica Premium or Tomicas come like this plastic wrap only. We'll just get it out, and you can see how beautiful it is. I think the color is very nice. This is the first white car I think I have in my collection, and you can see the top, right? It's very nicely detailed over there. I love the linings, and but from the side it's like a tune car. It's looking not like actual car. I think the lunch should have been there. Would have looked nice actually. Like you see it got shrinked. I'm not liking it, but it's okay. We'll see from the other sides as well. If you see the back, it's good. There are some exhaust linings over there, and yeah, the red tail lights goes well, but I didn't like the squeezed version of it. It should have some length over there, and front as usual you see, it's good only. It's Toyota written over there with the logo, and uh, until this time you have noticed what I've got this. So there are some pop-up headlights which we'll see later, but you can see the front is also nice actually, and you can see the paint job. It's good, yeah. The interior also I liked a lot, and yeah. Now let's see it very closely. You can see some nice grills over there on the back, right? Let's see the bottom of it. Tommy 2022 1 by 60 scale, made in Vietnam. This is the button I'm talking about. If you just press it, yeah, the headlights pop up. So this is the specialty of Toyota MR2 actually, and this is the overall look. It gives the eyes with a smiley face, right? If you see, it's like the car is smiling at you with wide eyes open, and it looks nice. That's why I bought it. You can see the button how it works. Just click it and it goes up. There is a lock system and there is unlock. If you unlock it, then like this, but if you lock it, then it stays over there itself. I'll show you now. This is the lock variant. Yeah, suspension is good actually. Suspension is very nice, and the usual Tomica tires over there, that comes with the premium series you can find, and silver exhaust over there. Very nice car.